Welcome to this Foxy Pilote V603. Hey, welcome everybody. My name's John and this is the Pilote Foxy V603. Now you do not get many of these around, so it'd be really interesting. Take a tour with me around this lovely Pilote. So, this thing, Foxy, you don't get many of these around, as I say, so it is something a little bit more special. Now, because of its rarity, you can only sort of give examples about what else is around on the market that's similar. But Pilote have done a very, very good job of this van. So let's take a look around on the bit of the spec. Now, it is based on the Fiat Ducato. It's the 2.3 litre, 150 brake horsepower, and it's on the 6-speed automatic gearbox before they upgraded to the 9-speed. As you can see, it's beautiful in black. It's got the red racing stripes that are going down the side, and this one has got the really nice diamond cut alloy wheels just down at the bottom there. Now, it's not a white van as you normally get. It's a nice black beast for a foxy beast, and as you can see, it's got all your usual refinements. Now, because it is Pilote, the door or the habitation door is on the other side, so keep an eye out for that, but come with me a little bit further. Really nice condition, this one. You'll notice there's no windows in the back. That's done for a reason, and I'll show you that in a second. Up at the top, you've got your reversing camera, and it is night lit as well. You've also got your adaptation for your bike rack, and there is a bike rack with this one. You've also got your rear parking sensors, but let me open the door so you get a good view of what's on the back end. Now, in theory, this is classed as a 3-berth. It's got 4 seated belts, and your sides do come up if you need a little bit of storage. There's loads of storage underneath the lockers there. You've got your LPG gas in the back, but 2 single beds just in the back, your 3rd berth at the front dinette area. So a really good use of space. So a 3-berth, 4-belt, bit of a family wagon this. If you've got another child travelling with you, stick them outside. Now, you'll notice that it's got a full-length awning right up at the top, colour coordinated with this van, so it's really nice. So it's not just a white awning stuck at the top there. Black accent follows it all the way through, and you'll notice that you have got quite a big fridge freezer with the air vents from Dometic. Now, it's got an electric step, but the interesting thing is what happens on the inside. It's got a really kind of unique bathroom sort of area. So come with me, let's take a look. Now, as you'll notice, a nice electric step as you get in. So at the back end of this motorhome, the Pilote, the Foxy, you've got your 2 singles, slight cutout French style bed on the right hand side as you're at the back of the vehicle. Underneath here though, plenty and plenty of storage, which is great. Watch your head on the back there. You've got storage overhead, and like I said to you, you'll notice from the outside there's no windows in the back. I think they're missing a bit of a trick. I would have liked a bit of windows and opening windows as well. It is a black van, so in the summer it's hot. Today 25 degrees, but in here it's hot, so maybe a bigger skylight. But those are just little finicky bits from me that I can see when I'm going around a motorhome. It might make the difference when you're choosing the Foxy. Yeah, really comfortable mattresses, plenty of storage. Let's move a little bit forwards into this toilet area and I'll show you what that's all about. Now you see me. Ooh, now you don't. Like I said, a really clever idea, so that if you're in the back and you want to go in the toilet and you're in the front and you want to separate, you can separate the back from the front and the front from the back. If you're having a shower and you don't want people in the back to see you or the front to see you, you can have a shower in the middle and separate yourself. A lot of back to front on this one, but I kind of like it. It is a toilet area. It's multifunctional. You've got your sink that drops down here, nice and slimline. You've got your shower, basin tap. You've got your toilet. You've got everything you need. But I think it's a really, really good idea to separate the shower from the toilet, from the living space and the bedroom space. Right, I've got a real dilemma. Oven underneath a fridge freezer. I don't know whether that's a good idea for me or not. I would have liked it to be maybe underneath the cabinets, but you have got a little oven. You have got a fridge with a little freezer compartment. It is a little bit tight on space, but there's only 2 or 3 of you, maybe 4, one of them outside, so it is all functional. You have got your 2-burner hob, you've got your sink, you've got plenty of storage down at the bottom, you've even got your drawers for soft closers, which are really nice, and you've got extra preparation space just here with this extra chopping board. So all in all, a little bit of a galley. It's nice and it will serve a purpose. Okay, you have got the captain seats at the front which swivel round, and then you come to this nice dining area. Again, if you've seen my videos before, you know I like a bit of a table, and you've got a table. It moves, it extends the living space and the dining space. The one thing that really hits me on this, the leather. It's good quality leather. Bigger skylight in the front, a little bit more air, and a window. Like I say, I wish they'd have put it in the back. It's in the front though. Let's have that in the back next time. Plenty of storage, plenty of USB charging sockets and everything else that you could imagine. So for me, at the moment, the Foxy's getting a... Right, front end of a Fiat Ducato. Yes, it's the Foxy front end. It's got spinny seats. You know, I love a spinny seat. I love a table. Like I say, the leather's really good on this one. Front end, you have got the Garmin Connect sat nav and media system on this. It is the 6-speed automatic box, which, do you know what? Before they brought out the 9-speed, the 6-speed was good enough. Exactly what you need. You've got your cab air conditioning. You haven't got a multifunctional steering wheel on this one, but you've got electric windows, you've got electric mirrors, you've got cruise control, you've got cup holders. They're always a bonus. But cab blinds, it's got everything that you really need. What more can I say? It's a front end. Now, they don't make these anymore, but when you compare similar vehicles out on the market, and the fact that van conversions like this have grown in price just due to their popularity, you're talking £80,000 plus for anything that comes similar, brand new in today's market. It's a hell of a price, but they're a hell of a vehicle. Make sure, click, like, subscribe, carrier pigeon, send it old-fashioned way in the mail. We don't care, we just love your feedback. My name's John, this is We Buy Any Motor Caravan, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.